show that the angle between the asymptotes of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 is 2 tan inverse b by a or 2 secant inverse e. 2 tan inverse b by a or 2 secant inverse e. Angle between the asymptotes of the hyperbola. Prove that 2 tan inverse b by a or 2 secant inverse e. Listen. Given hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Equation of the hyperbola, equation of the asymptotes differ by a constant. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to some constant, but asymptotes passing through the center of the hyperbola. Center is 0, 0. Center is 0, 0. So k must be equal to 0. Equation of the hyperbola, equation of the asymptotes. So x square minus e by a square equal to y square by b square. So y square equal to b square by a square x square. Y equal to plus or minus b by a into x. So m1 value minus b by a, m2 value minus b by a, m1 value plus b by a. This is in the form of a y equal to mx. So we apply tan theta formula. Listen. Tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. m1 value b by a minus m2 value minus b by a by 1 plus b by a into minus b by a. So tan theta equal to 2 into b by a plus b by a, 2 into b by a by 1 minus b by a whole square. We know the formula tan 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Inverse trigonometric functions formula. 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. 2x by 1 minus x square. So theta equal to tan inverse 2 into b by a by 1 minus b by a whole square. 2x by 1 minus x square. So theta equal to 2 tan inverse x, where x value is b by a. Once again, secant inverse e. That is the second answer. Listen. Tan opposite side by adjacent side. So hypotenuse b square plus a square. So this is equal to 2 into, listen, secant inverse hypotenuse by adjacent side. 2 into secant inverse b square plus a square by a square. This is the E formula. 2 into secant inverse E equal to under root b square plus a square by a square. Asymptotes of the hyperbola. Write down. Given hyperbola is x square minus 3y square equal to 3. Divide with 3. X square by 3. 3y square by 3 equal to 3 by 3. X square by 3. Y square by 1 equal to 1. A value root 3. B value 1. Let theta be the angle between asymptotes. Apply this formula. 2 into tan inverse b by a. 2 into tan inverse b value 1, a value root 3. 2 into 30 degrees, 60 degrees equal to pi by 3. Equal to pi by 3. Theta equal to 30 degrees. Then find eccentricity. Listen. Given angle theta equal to 30 degrees, find eccentricity. That means small e. Then we apply this formula. For e, we apply this formula. We know that theta equal to 2 into secant inverse E theta by 2 equal to secant inverse E 30 by 2 secant of 30 by 2 equal to E. So E value secant 15 degrees, secant 15 degrees 1 by cos 15 degrees 1 by cos 45 minus 30 cos A minus B formula 1 by cos 45 cos 30 plus sin 45 sin 30. So E equal to 1 by 2 root 2 LCM root 3 plus 1, or directly apply this formula also. Suppose you know the value of cos 15, you know the value of cos 15, you apply directly root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next take its reciprocal. E equal to 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1. Next rationalize that one. E value 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1 root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So E value 2 root 2 into root 3 minus 1 by A plus B into A minus B. A square value 3 minus B square value 1. 3 minus 1 2 cancel. So E value root 6 minus root 2 root 6. This is the hyperbola. X square by 16 y square by 9 equal to 1. Product of the perpendiculars from any point. Take point P is a secant theta, B parametric form. A value 4, B value 3. So P point 4 secant theta 3 tan theta. Product of the perpendiculars from this point to the asymptotes. Listen. So first we take the equation to the asymptotes. They are nothing but x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 0. Listen. Equations of the asymptotes. X square by 16 y square by 9 equal to 0. 144 LCM 9x square minus 16y square equal 0. By cross multiplication 9x square minus 16y square equal 0. 3x plus 4y 3x minus 4y a plus b into a minus b formula 3x whole square 4y whole square a plus b into a minus b. So 3x plus 4y equal to 0. Second line, 3x minus 4y equal to 0. They are the equations of the asymptotes. Next, distance from P to the first line, distance between P to the second line. One is D1, another one is D2. We calculate product of D1, D2. That is D1 into D2. First write the problem. 1b, small d1b, distance from P to 1. Let d1 be perpendicular distance from P to the equation number 1. So d1 equal to modulus of 3 into 4 secant theta plus 4 into 3 tan theta by a square plus b square 9 plus 16. d1 equal to 12 secant theta plus 12 tan theta by 5. 12 into secant theta plus tan theta by 5. Next, similar equation number 2. So d2 equal to 3 into 4 secant theta minus 4 into 3 tan theta by under root 9 plus 16. 12 secant theta minus 12 tan theta by 5. Take 12 common. Secant theta minus tan theta by 5. Therefore, d1 into d2, d1 value 12 secant theta plus tan theta by 5 by 5. d2 value 12 secant theta minus tan theta by 5. 144 by 25. 25. A plus b into a minus b. Secant square theta minus tan square theta. We know secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. 144 by 25 into 1. So 144 by 25